Today, we will be testing a volume oscillator strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just join our free tier on our Patreon page. You can find the link down below in the description. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a volume oscillator strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 604 different strategies, with 172 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested 17 different strategies. And out of those 17 different strategies, we've made every single one either more profitable than the original or profitable when the original wasn't profitable. And that brings us to a total combined weekly profit across those 17 strategies of $9,800. The best total weekly profit from one single one is $1,900. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a volume oscillator strategy. And so the source video says new TradingView indicator that shows you exactly where to buy and sell. And so the source video seems pretty straightforward, but neither one of these indicators tell you exactly when to buy and sell. Both of them basically work in combination with each other, and you need to decipher when the indicators are have a confluence that is telling you when to buy and sell. And so the source video is a little bit misleading in that aspect. But of course, we will put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Q trend indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And just jump into the settings and double check that they are set up like this here. So we have trend period at 200, ATR at 32, ATR multiplier is 1, and signal mode is on A. Everything else stays on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Klinger volume oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings and just double check that the fast length is set to 38, slow is set to 60, EMA and 13 here. Show the show histogram here and uncheck these 3 selections here if any of them are checked. Jump into the styles and you can uncheck these 2 selections right here. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade setup is we are looking for when the Q trend line switches from red to green. It's kind of hard to see because it's buried behind price right here, but you can just barely see that right here we get that coloration switch in the Q trend line. Then at the same time, we're going to look down to the Klinger volume oscillator and we want it to have a green histogram bar. Again, it's kind of hard to see because it's really small, but you can see right here we have a green histogram bar right there, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll set our trade right here, put our stop just kind of right below the little pivot area here that it creates, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this one takes a little while, but we eventually push our way up, getting us to our take profit. And for short trade setup, what we are looking for again is the switch in the Q trend line. So it switches from green to red in this case. And then we're going to look down to the Klinger volume oscillator. We want it to have a red histogram bar like it does here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade here. Then we'll put our stop just kind of right here above the pivot there and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, it takes just a little bit, but we eventually make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So what we'll do is just go ahead and exit out of the bar replay like so. We can delete that. That's one of our example trades there. Let's go ahead and turn on the Nexus backtest indicator. And there we go. We got some numbers. All right, so we have right at a 43% win rate, and we have right at 253 trades. Again, 20,000 bars back. That's about standard on the 5-minute time frame, usually about 3 months. So again, pretty standard. Total profit and loss would be a gain of $4,700. It would have put you at a profit per week of $335. So not too bad of a strategy. Again, now the source video claims that it shows you exactly when to buy and sell, and it definitely doesn't, but the Nexus backtest indicator does. And so the Nexus backtest indicator, of course, when a signal is given, when the indicators line up appropriately to the strategy rules, then it tells you exactly when to enter, where to put your stop, where to put your take profit, and so on. And so it makes it real super easy, takes that human aspect out of it, and really just kind of mechanizes the whole process. Now, of course, since we have the Nexus backtest indicator, I couldn't help but play around with it a little bit and see if we couldn't get better results. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one instead. All right, so now we have right at a 34% win rate. And so the win rate went down just a little bit, 207 trades. And so we lost a few trades, right over the same amount of time and same amount bars back. But this time the total profit and loss, you would have been at a total profit of $28,000. And your profit per week would have been over $2,000. So you can see how this strategy here, settings of the strategy, definitely far more superior. So we went from, what was it, $335 per week to $2,000 per week. And so definitely a better strategy. Now, of course, as I said in the beginning of the video, if you're interested in the original 1,100 plus tested indicator spreadsheet, you can get that for free. Just join our free Patreon. You can find a link down in the description. But if you are interested in these layouts here, we provide those to all patrons of the channel. It's just $19 a month. So for $19, you get a list of all these strategies, the original tested strategies, plus the layouts to all the modified more profitable strategies. Again, every single one that we have tested so far with the Nexus backtest indicator, we've been able to make more profitable than the original. And you can get layouts to all those. It's provided in the spreadsheets where we track all these strategies to begin with. Super easy. You just click on that, and as long as you have access to the particular indicators, it pops it up on screen just as you see right now. And within minutes, you can turn on alerts and start manually trading this, or set it up for automation, an alert to automation trading system. Or if you want to, you can play around with this with the Nexus backtest indicator and see if you can't get better results, or better results from another strategy. Whatever you want, you got a world of opportunity at your fingers, essentially. But ultimately, if you are sick and tired of chasing strategy after strategy, or spending countless hours modifying, tweaking, and testing, and you want results like this from your prop firm account, or like this here, then you can skip all the BS and go straight to making the really decent profits. If that's something you're interested in, then click the very first link down below in the description. It'll say wild results. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.